Are you planning to opt for spring cleaning? If so, you need to turn to the best carpet cleaning professionals. They know certain hacks that help faster and better cleaning. What better name can you opt for than Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne? Here are some of the spring cleaning hacks that our Melbourne Carpet Cleaners follow. 1. Removing stains using iron. 2. Using baking soda and essential oil carpet freshener. 3. Carpet fluffing technique 1. 4. Carpet fluffing technique 2. These are some of the hacks that our Melbourne Carpet Cleaning Professionals would use for the best and the quickest results. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us https://bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com/